Hello, my name is Jason Matsky, part of Team 2 in Dr. Spangler's Senior Capstone class, and this is going to be a small tutorial about how to manage and upkeep your website. So here we are at GoDaddy, and just going to access the Stouffer's account right now. Takes me over here. And so first of all, for the Stouffer's, when you log into your GoDaddy account, you should be taken here. You can just click on your name, visit my account, take you here, and then your GoCentral online store. Just click Manage. Then once you're over here, Store, we'll start with Settings, General. Here's just a quick look on your business info, your regional info, how your customers will see your information. You have it set to US dollars, pounds, inches. Here's your date format. You can change that over here whenever you want. Whatever checkout requirements you want to add. If you want to allow your customers to include special instructions, just check mark, uncheck mark. Reviews, if you want to turn it on here. Sign up for a Yotpo account, you can set up reviews on the website. I already have it. Here's the website right here. I already have it, so reviews can be connected as soon as you set that up. It'll go right there. Payment. We've set up the PayPal account. You can see right here. But you have other options if you ever want to connect those in. Over here for shipping. If you want in-person pickup, you can edit the settings right here. This is your address, so your customers will know where to pick up any of the products that they buy in your store, or you can just delete it right here if you don't want to have in-person pickup. Your shipping. You click here, you can edit. And I've set it up so far so you only ship to the United States, but you can just exit this out and then type in wherever you want to ship it to. I assume just the United States. Here are all the states. Uncheck whatever you don't want to be shipping to. You can do it right there. And here is $0 shipping, but whenever you want to, you can set it up so like you offer shipping if your customer reaches $30 or something like that. Or if they reach maybe $150, then it's shipping. Then it's free shipping. Whenever you want to set that up, you can do it right here. And then any kind of tax information right here, store, tax, click add, set whatever kind of settings you need right here. This one is how to add any kind of new products you want. These are the current products I have online so far. You can quickly edit right there with quick edit. Change the price, if you want to put them on sale, what's their sale price, how many do you have in your inventory, right here with quantity. You can categorize them however you want, change them. But let's add a new product, for example. Right here, click add product, or click add over here. you previously sent an email about what you wanted, so we can do that. For example, click Add Image, let's use the fireplace, and we'll call it Electric Fireplace Entertainment Center with live edge. Price $450. If you want to have a sales price for whenever you want to do that. In your database, this is the unit that it'll look like. How do you want to categorize this? You can use one of your preset categories right here, or you can just add it. Category name, just name it fireplace for now. You can change it whenever you want. That. Description, how do you want to describe it, if you want to describe it at all. Nice and cozy, maybe, or however you want. Click Inventory and Options. How many do you have in your storage? Put it right there. Create options. If you're able to customize it, you can add over here. If you want to give your customer customization, or if you want to add engravings onto them, for example, you can charge them an extra fee for that if you want to do something like that. Kind of add-ons, shipping methods. You can put in the dimensions of it. It says like 40 height, length 4, something like this. However much it weighs, you can always put that there. You can specify a specific shipping fee for this particular product. Have it always be free shipping, or using your regular shipping methods, depending on how you put it here. Then just click Save. And it's right there. Then featured. You can add a featured product, so then let's put the new fireplace we put in. So now it appears on the front page in any kind of section on your website that has the featured products. So now overview. You can see here, talked about payments, shipping, your products. You can also add coupons. Adding here, if you want to create a coupon code for your customers, limit to categories, total number of uses, how much do they have to spend before they can use it. You have a database of all of the previous orders you've had right here, you can see. And marketplace, if you want to click Get Started, and you can sync up to, say, like over here, Amazon, eBay, Etsy. You want to set that up. Oh, over here, categories. If you want to add more categories here, or say we're not using this anymore, we can delete that. And remove category. In your website, you have a specific section where you can, your subscribers, where you can have people subscribe to a newsletter. Here you can see all of the people who subscribe to you. And then here's how you can compose that newsletter, so all of the people who subscribed will receive it in their email. Say, click traditional newsletter. sales campaign, whatever you want to click, and then watch a short introduction on how to compose your letter. Leave that. So there you go. That's how you update any kind of payments or shipping methods you want, how to add products. Let's see how to edit your website. Here's the edit page. You can see over here on the right side, themes. If you want to ever change your theme here, your coloring, I have it set on blue right now. If you want to change it to red, orange, pink, green. Fonts, if you want to change your fonts there. If you want to add a new section, click this plus. You can see the abouts, have a video, make your logo in this part, reviews, contact section. But here's the featured products. Anything, you can always edit this if you have something new or anything in particular you want to show off. If you want to edit any descriptions here, just click here, start typing, or click on pages. We're in the home page. You want to change something in the contact us section, you can type over here too, or just type here. Directions, reviews. Once you can either connect to your Facebook or any kind of social media platform to get that running. Here, links to your Facebook and YouTube page. Photo gallery, if you want to update with more photos. Right here, click that. Click this plus button. See right here, upload. We'll put this new table, open, and there you go. Add to. It is now in the photo gallery. Done. Here's your shop. You can see all the products listed, divided by different categories. We already talked about how to add those products. Facebook opens up to a new tab to your Facebook page. Over here, if you want to, remember, if you ever want to edit anything, just click there. Any kind of changes you want to make. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This was the tutorial for how to manage and upkeep your website. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope this helps.